Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. A peaceful evening at the beach. A beautiful woman is relaxing on the beach during a spectacular sunset. She is wearing a long and elegant dress that moves softly with the ocean breeze. The sky is full of bright colors like orange, pink, and gold. The sun slowly goes down behind the sea, creating a magical view. The woman feels calm and happy. She sits near the water and listens to the gentle sound of the waves. The fresh air helps her relax and enjoy the moment. She watches the birds flying across the sky and admires the beauty of nature. This peaceful scene inspires creativity and positive thoughts. The woman imagines new ideas and dreams about her future. The sunset reminds her that every day is special and full of opportunities. She feels grateful for the simple beauty around her. The beach is quiet and peaceful. The warm colors of the sunset create a feeling of comfort and hope. The woman smiles as she enjoys this unforgettable moment. Her elegant dress, the shining sea, and the colorful sky create a picture that people will remember for a long time. It is a perfect example of peace, beauty, and inspiration. Vocabulary. English word. Spanish meaning. Beach. Sunset. Dress. Breeze. Waves. Peaceful. Beautiful. Nature. Creative. Dream. Future. Hope. Comfort. Inspire. Unforgettable. Intermediate English. Creativity and serenity by the ocean. On a breathtaking evening, a graceful woman sits peacefully on a sandy beach while enjoying a magnificent sunset. She wears a flowing gown that spreads elegantly around her, reflecting the warm colors of the sky. Shades of orange, purple, pink, and gold blend together, creating a stunning natural masterpiece. As she watches the horizon, she feels a deep sense of serenity. The rhythmic movement of the waves and the gentle ocean breeze help her forget the stress of everyday life. This special moment allows her mind to wander freely and explore new ideas. The beauty surrounding her awakens her creativity. She reflects on her goals, dreams, and personal growth. The sunset symbolizes transformation and reminds her that every ending can become a new beginning. She appreciates the opportunity to pause, think, and reconnect with herself. The scene is both powerful and inspiring. It demonstrates how nature can provide emotional balance and encourage imagination. The elegant woman becomes a symbol of inner peace and confidence. Her presence, combined with the extraordinary colors of the sunset, creates a memorable image that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who sees it. It is a celebration of beauty, reflection, and the endless possibilities of life. Vocabulary. English word. Graceful. Sandy. Magnificent. Flowing. Horizon. Serenity. Rhythmic. Stress. Creativity. Goals. Growth. Transformation. Balance. Imagination. Lasting impression. Advanced English. The transformative power of tranquility and imagination. Bathed in the radiant glow of a spectacular sunset, a sophisticated woman reclines peacefully upon a pristine beach, embodying elegance, introspection, and artistic inspiration. Her magnificent flowing gown cascades gracefully across the sand, harmonizing with the vibrant palette of crimson, gold, amber, and violet that illuminates the horizon. Surrounded by the soothing rhythm of the ocean, she experiences a profound connection with both nature and her inner self. The gentle whisper of the sea breeze carries a sense of freedom and possibility, encouraging reflection and imaginative exploration. In this tranquil environment, creativity flourishes effortlessly, allowing her thoughts to transcend ordinary limitations. The sunset serves as a powerful metaphor for transformation and renewal. As daylight gradually yields to twilight, she contemplates the beauty of change and the significance of embracing life's evolving journey. Every wave that reaches the shore symbolizes resilience, persistence, and the continuous pursuit of personal fulfillment. This extraordinary scene evokes emotions of peace, wonder, and inspiration. It illustrates how moments of quiet contemplation can awaken innovation and strengthen emotional well-being. The woman's graceful presence, combined with the awe-inspiring beauty of the natural landscape, creates an unforgettable image that resonates deeply with the observer. It is a timeless representation of serenity, creativity, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. Vocabulary. English word. Tranquility. Introspection. Inspiration. Cascades. Vibrant. Horizon. Profound. Flourishes. Transcend. Metaphor. Renewal. Resilience. Fulfillment. Awe-inspiring. Limitless potential. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.